Hey everybody, it's Robin and welcome back to my channel. Today on the Robin's Nest we are going to be making this really sweet, pretty pink cat cake, and we're going to be making a big beautiful rosette pattern on the bottom tier using a 1M piping tip. It's going to be really simple and a lot of fun, so let's get into it. So for this adorable little 2-tiered cake, I've baked up 3 6-inch and 3 4-inch layers of cake, and you can use whatever size variation you like, but that's just what we're going to be using today. So we're going to start by applying a little bit of icing to our cake board to secure our cake. And we are going to take our very first layer and lay it down and give it a little press to secure it. Then we are going to continue to stack and fill each of our layers. And then repeat those steps with the second tier. Now once you finish stacking and filling your layers, you're going to give your cake one last little look to make sure everything is nice and level. And if everything looks good, then you can start your crumb coat. And once you've finished covering both of your tiers, you're going to refrigerate them for a little while. And while we're waiting, we can start making our cat's cute little eyes and ears. So to make her sweet little face, we're going to be using some paper stencils that I've drawn up and cut out, and some fondant to make some little fondant cutouts. Now, as you can see, I have some black, some teal, and some white here, and we're going to start with her facial features, which is her eyes, her nose, and her mouth. Now, I'm going to roll this out really, really thin, then we're going to use our stencils to cut out our little shapes, and then I'm going to start piecing them all together. Alright, her face is all done, and doesn't she have just the sweetest little peepers? She's so cute, I just love her. And I really hope you guys like her too. And I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, don't forget to hit them like and subscribe buttons, and pop over to my channel and check out some of my other videos. Alright, so the next thing we're going to work on is her ears, and we're going to do those in the same fashion with a stencil and our X-Acto knife. And I'm just going to stick some toothpicks inside these for some support and to anchor them to our cake. So I'm going to get that finished, and then I'm going to make her a cute little tail, and then we're going to go grab our cake and finish our icing. Alright guys, so we finished with all of our fondant decorations, and I think they turned out so cute. I can't wait to put this cake together. It's going to be so adorable. And that also means we are almost done. We just have a couple more things left to do. So I'm going to get a final coat of icing on my top tier here. Then I'm going to pop it in the freezer to chill for just a few minutes while we prep our bottom tier with a few supports. And now it's time to stack our cake. So I'm going to take a little bit of buttercream and place it on top. Then we're going to spread that out and get our top tier into place. Then I'm going to take our 1M piping tip and we're going to pan pipe our fancy rosette pattern all around the bottom tier of our cake. Then we're going to add all our finishing touches and bring our kitty to life. Well guys, here she is. Isn't she the sweetest? I think this might be one of the cutest cakes I've ever made. I just love it so much. And I really hope you guys like it too. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and leave me some love in the comment section too. And if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button and ring that bell so you receive a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, guys.